Life in Japan. Cold corn potage. In Japan, there are many instant foods available and different cup styles. This time, I would like to introduce one of the most unusual products, じっくりことことこんがりパン cold corn potage.Cold corn potage was introduced in 2020 by Pokka Sapporo Food and Beverage, a Japanese food manufacturer. It is a cold corn potage that can be easily prepared by simply pouring cold milk or water and mixing. It is made with super sweet corn, and the soup and bread taste delicious together in a cold corn potage with the flavor of the ingredients. This soup is available in many different flavors. Why don't you try this popular cup of soup?